Ai, amaghị m onye anyị na ya nwere mitin a. Ọ dị ka onye anyị na ya nwere mitin a ka ndị a dị, ọ dị ka ya ka ndị a dịnyere, ọ dị ka ndị o nwere sọntịn ha nyere onye a. Amaghị m ọhịa riri eri ọhịa anyị ṅụrụ aṅụ. Ụta m si agharụ ka bute ụzọ si agharụ, ụta ka ọ dị bifọtfọ. Ivi n'ụwa m ọchịwọ, ụta ka anyị si agharụ. My brother, this world the wicked. This world the wicked. My brother, gentle is dying. Gentle is dying, this life is wicked. Gentle is dying. Upon all my effort, upon all my effort for the struggle of Biafra. God will not allow such a thing to happen to me. I disagree. It can never work. It can never work. I beg, make my people to understand this. And when they let them let them ask, because say bora modegu mako bawafa. Ya bawafa lelishim. If I to go renters because lelishim na moku butozo. Lelishim be fought for. Lelisha di lo like how we meeting at tata.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Biafrans, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone from wherever you are watching us from. We, the stables of Magnetic Jigs TV, is greeting you guys. Yes, we have a news for you today, being the 17th day of August 2025. It is indeed not a good news, It is a little bit sad news, although Olisa Binigwe Nemero Nwiafa. Biafrans, Gentle the Yahoo is hospitalized. Igwe Butuzo, the Triple G, is hospitalized. General Owam is hospitalized. General Oshiaya from Osu is also hospitalized. And some other generals with other soldiers that went to a peace meeting. As you can see, Biafrans, they were invited in this meeting, a peace accord meeting, looking for a way to bring peace down to Biafran land. So they were invited in that meeting. They accepted the invitation, or they honored the invitation, and they went to that meeting. So in that meeting, they were poisoned. According to Gentle the Yahoo in this voice note, he and other commanders were poisoned. Although they are not dead, but they are in kind of way suffering, but they are suffering from that illness of which they are already taking medicine, antidote for that poison. So they are calling on Biafrans, wherever you are, to pray for them that nothing will happen to them. And Jamaica was the one that released this information to us because someone sent the message to Njemekop telling him exactly what is happening or what is on ground. Now the question is, why are the security personnel, why are some individuals, why are the government individuals, why are they so bent in buying Gentle the Yahoo? If you look at this particular picture now in this screen, this person was telling Ngozi Orobeze to hand Gentle the Yahoo over to them. According to her, she said that it is more easier to buy Igwe Butuzo than Gentle the Yahoo. I think I understand what she meant by that, because guys, if you can recall very well, Gentle the Yahoo was an ex-soldier. Gentle Yahoo was in the military before, so this guy is well experienced. He has some technical experience that Igwe Butuzo did not have, but based on ranking, higher ranking, so Igwe Butuzo is more higher than him. So Gentle the Yahoo is a kind of a thorn in their flesh. Gentle the Yahoo is the person that they are so determined to take away, to buy out of their way. So if they can get Gentle the Yahoo, according to them, then they will be able to get other commanders. This person is not even the only person that is seriously bent on bringing Gentle the Yahoo down. Ikenga Uruagu is still there also. Ikenga Uruagu is even advising or telling people how they can be able to get Gentle the Yahoo. because Ikenga Urago happens to be very close to Gentle the Yahoo before, when they were in IPOB, during the ESN era. So Ikenga Urago is part of the people that are advocating on how to bring Gentle the Yahoo down.
I want to use this medium to inform Biafrans and the second in command of Okigwe State Command of Biafra Liberation Army over the information I am receiving from the office of Major General Gento de Yahoo is that the Major General Gento has been hospitalized since yesterday after a security meeting they went. Biafrans, I want to use this opportunity to inform you that Major General Gento de Yahoo is unconscious and he is pleading for Biafrans to pray for him. He is dying. I don't actually know what is wrong with him, but according to the voice notes that somebody that is with him sent to me this afternoon, I am making this record. Please, let Biafrans pray for Major General Gento de Yahoo. Let nothing happen to him. He has been totally down and he could not talk. Please, Biafrans should pray for Major General Gento de Yahoo, because according to the information is that not just only him, including the Triple General, has been also hospitalized according to the information I am receiving. B44 has been hospitalized according to the information I am receiving. Owam, he has been hospitalized according to the information I am receiving now. And General Ochiaga has been also hospitalized, including with other ones, other generals that went the meeting with them. All of them are critically down. Please listen to this voice note and pray for Major General Gento de Yahoo. Pray for Triple General. Pray for B44. Pray for Owam. Pray for Ochiaga and all the generals that has been hospitalized. Please, Biafrans should understand that the Nigerian state government will continue to fail. Child, bad Friday, bad Friday, bad Friday.
nwanne m abọda nsogbu dị. There is a very big problem. Biko ọjọntụ lekwu ọya ọbọda lekwu walishi ike mee ka oshiaru Biafrans ntị should in case mara dị ama enwe ka oshadị. I have tried this mission. Agbalịala m personally best in this mission. Abọdakwa meeting anyị nwere tata bụ Friday 15th. 15th of August. Amaghị m onye anyị na ya nwere meeting Ah, ah, ọ dị ka onye anyị na-enwere mitin a ka ndị a dị ọ dị ka ọhịa ka ndị a dịnyere ọ dị ka ndị nwere something ha nyere onye a amaghị m ọhịa riri eri ọhịa anyị ṅụrụ aṅụ ụta m si agharụ ka bute ụzọ si agharụ ụta ka ọ dị bifọtfọ ha ivi n'ụwa m ọchịwọ ụta ka anyị si agharụ hi my brother, this world the wicked, this world the wicked, my brother, gentle is dying, oh. This life is wicked, gentle is dying. Upon all my effort, upon all my effort for the struggle of Biafra. God will not allow such a thing to happen to me. I disagree. It can never work. It can never work. I beg, make my people to understand this. And when they let me make a because let them ask. Because say bora modegu mako bawafa. Ya bawafa lelishim. If I to go renters because lelishim na moku butozo. Lelishim say be fought for. Lelishim I lo like how we meeting at tata. My bodies can never walk. Oga walk. I'm already on my destination. Yeah, come on, but my body, I'm a struggle. Also, we're back to Enugu. He jumped for the day before yesterday, and no more problem. On a quale metum low basic, I'm happy gauge. On a quale metum low basic, I'm happy gauge. It shall never be well with on your tier substance like her. Yeah, I really hang on.
Now, it is also being reported that the Musa guys are using chemical to buy people also in Okigwe, Ako, that is around this Zog or Okigwe Aziz. So many things are happening in Biafran land. So many things are happening, especially in Imo State. And that's why we keep asking, what is actually going on in Imo State? Imo State, what is actually happening? What is actually happening? Imo citizens, what is going on? Okay, ihe na-eme n'Imo State yo. Ọ na Imo State ka a na-eme ihe Biafra. Ọ na Imo State ka enwere obodo Biafra. Ọ na Imo State kedu ihe na-eme. Ike gwuru
current genocide war that is currently going on in Okigwe State. And today is 16th of August 2025. And I am reporting to you, Biafrans, especially those in Okigwe, over what is currently going on right now in the army camp Okigwe. After the Nigerian, after the Biafra Liberation Army dealt mercilessly with the Musa boys, Nigerian terrorist soldiers, yesterday in Ako. As I'm talking to you now, being the 16th, now I'm talking to you, the Nigerian army are killing all the innocent Biafrans. They arrested, they kidnapped, they adopted in Omololo. They are killing them, beheading them in the army camp of Okigwe. As I'm talking to you now, burning them to ashes. This is what is currently going on. So I want the international community to investigate the men of Christopher Musa, the Nigerian terrorist military. I want the international Amnesty International community leaders, Biafrans in diaspora, Biafrans all over the world. There is a massive killing, slaughtering in the army camp in Okigwe as I'm talking to you now. And I am bringing this information for you to understand that in any step that the Hope Sodema and the Christopher Musa is taking, my job is to report to you because we are network. We are everywhere. Another information I want to drop now is that the people in Ako, the enemies, the agha Nigeria is about to enter Ako now. Ha chọrọ iji 15 armor tanker were bata Ako. Today they are on their way now. Today 16th of August And 3 armor tanker has been broken yesterday by the Biafra Liberation Armed Forces in the same Ako. So they want to enter Ako by full force. And I want to use this opportunity to let Biafrans, even the Christopher Musa, the Nigerian terrorist soldiers, for them to understand that the men of defense forces is waiting for them. We have decided to fight this battle, and we have given up our life. We have given up everything that we have. So as I am reporting to you over what is happening in Okigwe, please, the Musa boys are coming to Ako with the chemical. According to the meeting between Hopus Odema and Alem Onyema and the Air Force and the Christopher Musa in Owerri, yesterday, they concluded that they must enter Ako in order to spray chemical in all over the communities in Ako, all over the communities in Omololo, all over the communities in Arondizog, all over the communities in Ihube. Please, the chemical is not against the men of defense forces because we are fully prepared. Whether bullets, whether chemical, whether anything, they cannot do anything to the men of defense forces. But I am bringing this information for civilians because the civilians are the ones that will die through the chemical, as they are beheading them right now in their camp, beheading them, burning them to ashes as I'm talking to you now. And I make this warning again, according to the office of Major General Yahoo, that any hospital in Okigwe, whether you are a general hospital, whether you are a public hospital, whether you are a private hospital that is hospitalizing the Nigerian terrorist soldiers that is killing Okigwe people, will be severely visited by the men of Biafra Defense Forces, because we are not going to allow these terrorists in any area in our land. 2, any community leader, any community chairman, any youth, any individual that hospitalized these criminals, these bandits, these terrorists that is in military uniform killing Biafrans, any community, any leader, any youth, any person, any individual that we got information that the men of defense forces got information is working with them, is working with these Nigerian terrorist soldiers, whether by informants, just like Biafran from Ako Okigwe, who is killing his own people with the tiger pace, with the DSS. Biafran is one of informant of DSS before he was recruited as a full DSS, and he is responsible of the deaths of Ako people, the deaths, the massacre, the evil that is being committed. Biafran, people should investigate who is this Biafran that is working with Ebeko Dike, that is working with the Caterpillar, that is working with the Sapele. They know themselves, working with the Ikenguru. So this information is for Biafrans in Okigwe to understand that they are coming, the enemies of Biafrans are coming with chemical as they have been long planned it. The final information I want to drop to you now is that after the meeting between Hopus Odema and Christopher Musa and Alem Onyema, they concluded to send a special force to Okigwe today, being the 16th, and they will enter Okigwe today. Today, being the 16th of August evening, and their job is that they are not going to wear uniform. Haga uniform. Haga ano or mufti. agakọ ebu egbe ha ga-edisperse so ha to restaurants, to hotels, to open shops. Ebe ọbụla ndị mmadụ gada, they will go into there, and all na abata there, they will be discussing about the Biafrans. They will discussing, praising the Biafra Liberation Army of what they are doing. They will be talking about Biafra, something that related to Biafra, and onye ọwụna nọ na that vicinity ahụ supportụrụ ihe ha na-ekwu, they are all gone. This is a new strategy ha chọrọ iji abịa now in order to pack all the whole youths, all the whole men, all the whole women, all the whole young ladies. This is another strategy that the whole post of them is coming against Okigwe. I will be reporting to you in every step that the whole post of them is taking. I am everywhere.
But Nonso Okwa here exposed the personnel that are buying people in Okigwe. They have already exposed the personnel that are into kidnapping, buying people in Okigwe, calling them men in black. You say black and black or that about. If they catch you, if you are not with money to bear yourself, they will buy you, you know, that kind of a thing. So many things are already happening in Biafran land. And I don't know why the people that matters in Biafran land are not saying anything. They all kept quiet, allowing things to deteriorate to this level. God, let the government release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We from the Magnetic Disc TV believe that the very moment Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being released, all these things will stop. Then we will know who is who. Then the evil ones and the bad ones will run away. During the days of the Bakassi, you know, when Bakassi entered so many states, so many hardened criminals ran away. That's exactly what is going to be. The very moment Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to be released, I'm telling you, we will know who is who. And those ones that are committing atrocities in the name of freedom fighter, all of them will run away, I believe so. So, gentle the Yahoo from the service of Magnetic Disc TV, Biafrans all over the world are praying for you that nothing will happen to you guys. Oh yes.
This boy said, go and we go madam here. You got like this boy able CD, you know, na sell. Call for the wedding can no way home. This boy like gone by 5 o'clock. Go got promote to go on Motana Motonaya. That get here also. Budia. Getting a sell. Now getting to 1 week now. Now Tuesday na be na get me 1 week. This one na sell there. Ebe selling down on Yahoo. Na Yahoo ka sell on. So amama what do how the GSS the time the man no kill and the black and black. So henda man no kill ba now efenye ho. Iga na sell eba na iga people juni mesela. Ade my guess on ha na no. Ade my guess. But the dem na jo asajujo baba go juma yam na jo asajujo. How we see with their own separate cell. Eba ha na babu ndị mmadụ. When they with 200,000. When they with the ego, how about waiting a pit? When you were taking 200,000, you have a long allow. Who could see where they are separate cell as a security agent. At a Mahagala Mahabuta mud, he will on your hand over to police. But what the quotation may then the person knew when you have a police guys who could head judge. These people just know where see many souls no better walk you. When anybody large why? When anybody no cuckoo. I'm not going to investigate from anywhere. About issue each other, we told issue each other, wherever investigate. I'm not rushing. When anybody no cuckoo, no land, there's the one there because you could help a power board. Even more homeless and dragging her now. Naraga Sarero. Because we're going to delete my number. Close my number. Sure. Because more no matter can save. Muhammad investigate chapter. We are all afraid to talk. Nobody said if you not told you go. End up making a there were so many souls. Also, I'm an Okigwe actually. There were serious insecurity in Okigwe. But in serious insecurity I have on Okigwe. Are you abandoning Okigwe now? I don't cry now. I had one say for me security. On a everybody. Yeah, I'm gonna ladies over even a business no what's big business na gagano to go now. If potassium a business now, everybody beg out. It's in the week for everybody. Then I got a cool like insecurity and we say insecurity. Then get was in here. Now babu innocent souls. Now cause common insecurity in Canobano. Now babu's in that kind of cha. I don't man, I got the people and then the nature white appetite. Every high not to do yourself, carrying down self and now I feel an acquisition. That girl is a kind of a bundemano, but I will keep it. Every halal crackers now, as a bareba, somewhere no keep it now. The figure I'm enemy. And Apatala, where is like a hababu many innocent souls. Want to say Hana fight in the Mechagola lessons. On the now, I'm had a to the management. How is that capital? Babu shows many people. May why are they not working now? But I cannot call Babunda Hala Babun and Ababu when you want my agent. Then they get the Nando who's in there and I got would you have said Nana to 200,000. Well, we're good money each day getting a said 900,000 suspect. Why not 200,000 naira release or who's the suspect, huh? Or was it the suspect? What's the business keep busy? Not just now forcing them, but was kidnapping now. Now forcing them and do better. When you need 200,000 naira, you lose your life here. Yeah, I'm not going to at least say, we're mad at all. I will mad bomb the shore. A bed to 200,000. But they cannot talk because I happen people who are going to eat or call ya. Now, I was with Tressing about book. I got Tressing about an upper book because you could hear. Even this guy now go now, I cannot sell now. Anna Barrick, I'm going to get you 200 something thousand or 200,000. Where I can buy. If you know to himself, you must get you 100 this issue. Kahara, about this guy, maybe no secret. Who's one out of whom? So I'm going to send again now. Go no Kimothy. Oh no, Kimothy, she will roll down. Yokona. Because
the truth to war, as far as I know, a video of this guy. As far as I know, a video of this guy. You know, I'm and down about black and black. The governor of Imo State should listen very attentively. The Commissioner of Police, DSS Director, should listen very attentively. The whole essence of a security operative is to protect life and property and not to take life. So, I'm going to put on the black and black a statutory security agents or agents in Nigeria. We will not take it lightly with the black and black and the Onyishiha and the unity Hashirifata. So the government of Imo State should look into the black and black here. I am Behabo. I am Ibobago. I am DSS. I am police. But that's an office here on Yahoo. The Commissioner of Police, the DSS Director Imo State, the black and black. Who are these black and black people that have their office at Yahoo in Okigwe? Find out. Visit that facility. People are languishing in that cell, like this person said here. People are dying in that cell. If you don't pay 200,000, they kill you. In Imo State. It is only in Imo State that this kind of thing is happening. It is only in Imo that you have, I don't understand whether you call it security agents or you call it vigilante or you call it, a lot of things happening, complicated security apparatus in Imo. The one we don't know, the one you know, you don't know. That is the problem we have here in Imo State. The issue of insecurity, in Imo State, it is complicated. Even the government is confused. I'm telling you. I am insecurity, the government, in a way, they confused. There is no sincerity in the fight against insecurity in Imo by the government. All problem I want in Imo, insecurity all there. That is the problem we have here. And we keep telling the government that if government of Imo State wants this insecurity to disappear, the government should come out clean, straightforward, and sincere. Or else, Otilo,
Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone, for watching this video. Remember to subscribe. It was Magnetic Gist TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. More gist and more updates are coming. Please subscribe and turn on your notification button so that you will be the first to watch and comment. We all love you. Bye.